Hello my fine gardening friends, how the devil are you? Well, welcome to an absolutely beautiful, gorgeous morning here in equally beautiful Nova Scotia. It is mid-August and Saturday morning, and I just thought I would pop down my local garden centre because I thought I'd a few gaps here and there in the garden, so I thought I'd have a look to see if there was anything down there, and also I wanted to price up a hedge that I'm going to do as a project, you know, in another part of the garden. But the reason I thought I'd shoot this quick video is this is a great time of year to be popping down the old garden centre, and from now on, because they'll be sort of coming towards what they think is the end of their season, and there's often lots of bargains on. And I went down there today not realising that it was buy one get one free. So I've bought a plethora of different plants. Just in this little border on the south side of my pool, there's some gaps appearing. You can see sort of there where I cut back, I think it was a centaurea there. I've cut it right hard back, and there's a bit of a gap there. So, you know, it's a good chance to put some plants to sort of plug in there. And I think I'm going to put this, although it's an Actia pink spike. And I think I'm going to put that in that little area there, and that'll play off nicely against the sort of purple flowers around it. And also at the back of this bed, as you can see, there's a bit of a gap there where I've cut back some earlier flowering plants, and I'm going to put some of these tall yellow ones in there. Now they may not be perfect this year, you know, may not grow as tall as I want them to do this year, but next year I'll know that when I cut those plants back, the other plants flowering earlier, these will grow up and fill that gap in the sort of eye line. And again here, as you can see, I've planted another one, or I'm going to plant another one of these Actias, and a lovely grass, beautiful purple and green switchgrass, Panicum virgatum. Blood Brothers, beautiful that one, and that'll play off the purple leaves of these Actias a treat. But you don't have to just go down the garden centre. All around the garden now there are, you know, different perennials that you can dig up and split, etc. Or, you know, just dig the whole plant up and then get a spade, split it down the middle. Like these beautiful irises here, well, not so beautiful at the moment, nice big strapping leaves, but they're getting a bit big now for that space, so I could probably make about 3 or 4 plants out of that one, and then move them to other areas that are a bit short of plants. So all around the garden, whether it be the grasses, all the different perennials can be split, you know, especially ones that have gone over on the flower now, so they're just sort of sitting there. Take the chance, give them a good water, dig them up, split them down the middle, job's a good one. You got a couple of plants. And I was thinking of even doing that on this grass maybe. Getting a couple of plants already out of that, because I'm thinking ahead now, not just thinking about this summer, thinking about next summer, and I've got 2 plants for the price of 1. Well, I've got 3 plants for the price of 1 because I've got 2 plants, never mind. Anyway, just thought I'd do a quick vid. Have a look around the garden, where's their short, ask about down the garden centre when they'll be doing their next offers, because they'll be doing it soon, and also look at the offers that are available in your own garden for dividing, splitting plants and planting them around the bazaars. Anyway, I've given these a good water, and I'm going to put these in where I think they're going to look nice. Job's a good one.